Hi everybody, I'm Susan Hamilton with Inspired by Hand and Heart. My new website is inspiredbyhandandheart.com, and that's where you can go to purchase the kit if you'd like to craft along with me on May 1st. So real quick, I'm going to show you 3 cards that I have, and I also did a 12 by 12 scrapbook page using the 6x6 paper pad. And when I'm done showing you these, I'm going to move in to show you the unboxing and unenveloping of what's in the kit, so you know exactly what you're getting. Our first card, probably one of my favorites. This is just a stamp technique we did all over the card, and then put a sentiment on the inside. And then we've got this card here, so cute. Coffee beans, an inspirational saying, and those adorable little cups. Then I did this one, and you can see they're all very different from each other, so it's nice. They all have a different technique. It's not hard, but I really feel like you need to have something for everyone, and so I want you all to feel comfortable with this. And I have only 25 minutes on the 25th. I'm sorry, on May 1st. So I need to be sure that I am able to share with you some of those techniques in that short amount of time. So this is the 12 by 12 scrapbook page, and you can see what I've done there. It comes with a pocket that we'll be creating, tags. Everything from this kit was, or from this page is included in the kit, okay? We've got that. So now I'm going to show you what's included in the kit. We've got the stamp pad. We've got 2 packages of twine, double-sided tape, the craft pad with 23 sheets. You're going to be able to make so much out of this. I have a lot left over, just even with what I made. The kit also includes 4 Neenah Solar White card bases and envelopes. So you're ready to go. The add-on or companion to this is the die cut, and that's to help cut out all those stamps. I think it's really important to have. There is only a limited quantity of these because I wasn't sure if everybody would want that, and I wanted to keep the cost down on the kit for you. And that's it. So thank you so much. Please visit my site, inspiredbyhandandheart.com, and join me on May 1st, and let's have a good time. Thank you. I'll see you then.